Tropical FM.
Yo, nowadays people think they know my game just because they follow me up on the gram like the CIA. Ridiculous, insane. Peak game and then make assumptions on your whole life like they know you. First off, I was born in October 10/20/1992. Black mother gave birth to a soldier in a jack world full of poachers, eating up the culture like vultures. Dark night living in a world full of jokers. Counterfeit friendships forced me to lead a life of a loner. Real recognize real, but I come across a whole lot of posers. Mediocre music getting promoted. What the fuck I gotta do to get exposure? Maybe good luck, I got Irish on my blood, but I'd rather sit and roll me up a 4-leaf clover. Smoke it, get me high like supernova. Astrophysical media showers of lyrical visuals. Asteroid resin on my mind, my gamma 11s, I gotta stay fresh. Cross the threshold, took one step straight into the valley of death. Drugs, rock and roll sex. Drugs, rock and roll sex. No rest on the road, one city to the next. Got an ex in Freiburg and an ex in Paris. 2 years of both, I never met their parents. I told them I wasn't the average guy, and at this point in my life I wanted to live it like I'm Bob Marley. Mentally dead when I'm with them, but when I'm away I'm emotionally parted. Didn't mean to break your heart, so I'm sorry. Seriously, for a minute I was guilt-ridden, cause I didn't want nobody looking at me like I'm heartless. But I said fuck that, word of Tupac, I'm a G to the day I'm gone, disregardless. Flying and spinning in orbit, they'll switch 40-40 like Henry Carlo. That's how I be, dog. Casa Bunday, gonna be inspired by this black tenor hole. I'm a one-man wrecking crew, fucking armada. Slaughter, that's words of my unborn son and my daughter. Aging a metal black Tony Soprano. Wife is a brown skin corn. Pray to God every single day I'm on this earth that I put on for the fan. Put that food on the table. Swear that I'm ready, God willing and able.
E aí, é Kevin Jorginho novamente. Quem diria, hein? É o novo hit do verão, pra geral curtir. Ela joga o bumbum pro alto, não dá pra resistir. Nem tenta apagar de santinha, o clima tá bom. Vai, desce, sobe, quer empina, mostrando seu dom. Chamou de combo de Jack, Siroca, olha as novinhas dançando em cima do som. Eu vou mandar o grave bater, e quero ver bumbum mexer, eu vou mandar o grave bater, e quero ver bumbum mexer. É o novo hit do verão, pra geral curtir. Ela joga o bumbum pro alto, não dá pra resistir.
Fallen angel inspirational. Let us see that anything's attainable. Everything but your soul's irreplaceable. They'll never let nobody try to take it. We're made from the stars, living G-O-D-S. Killing negativity cause you don't need stress. Cold sweats in a dark room, days pass now. Warrior mentality, this fight never back down. Focus, watch the pain fade to the background. Every single thing you lost coming back now. Everyone that left you hanging coming back round. Let them keep chasing, have them running laps now. Back in the days it was run for what's won, but for what's done won the race out, son. I'm shining and blinding them, casting my light on the darkness. Will not be defined by my hardships. Timber will never be scared cause my papa Mufasa, my soul illuminated by stardust. Haley's coming. growing forming, I'm a proto-star. Alpha, Omega, from the beginning to the end, I tell you that I am a god. Divine with the rhymes that's inside of my mind. The cool, all body blessed, you're the end when I'm prime. Glowing and showing my fire blazing, the most of the testimony is really fitted inside of your bones. Shaking is some mistaken, I'm taking them smile, I feel like I'm back from the dead, arisen awake from the tombs. Resurrection, new direction, refreshing inception, a blessing. Figures ain't nothing but lessons.
Solta, vai! Eu preciso te ter. Vai! Meu fechamento é você, mozão. Eu não preciso mais beber e nem fumar maconha. Que a sua presença me deu onda. O seu sorriso me dá onda. Você sentando, mozão, me deu onda. Que vontade de te ter, garota. Eu gosto de você fazer o que o pai te ama. Que vontade de te ter, garota. Eu gosto de você fazer o que o pai te ama. É, o pai te ama. O pai te ama.
Se eu tô no auge, ela corre atrás. Se eu tô de áudio, olha a cara que ela faz. Mas eu sei bem qual é, tu quer carona, né? Queria ver nas antigas quando eu andava a pé. Se eu tô no auge, vocês, se eu tô de áudio, mas eu sei bem qual é, tu quer carona, né? Queria ver nas antigas quando eu andava a pé. Obrigado, Araras. Quem tá feliz, joga as duas mãos pro alto, por favor. Vai segurando, moleque, tá ligado que é nóis. Quem tá feliz, Araras, joga a mão pro alto e vai.
No auge, ela corre atrás. Se eu tô de out, olha a cara que ela faz. Mas eu sei bem qual é, tu quer carona, né? Queria ver nas antigas quando eu andava a pé. Se eu tô no auge, ela corre atrás. Se eu tô de out, olha a cara que ela faz. Mas eu sei bem qual é, tu quer carona, né? Queria ver nas antigas quando eu andava a pé. Hoje tá fácil, tá tudo mais prático. De conversível, banco de couro no plástico, as notas no elástico. Aí fica lindo, né? Mudei de cargo, de funcionário, me tornei empresário. O salário mínimo ficou pra trás, hoje eu que pago o salário. Vai, dá uma frisada no Bright. Ouro 18 quilates. Quando ela me vê de áudio passando na rua, ela empina pro pai.